Firefighters in California are being praised after rescuing and reviving a dog caught in a blaze.
Strong work, guys.
They were called to a house fire in the Oakland area in the early hours of the morning, where they found a dog in distress and caught in the fire. This video, posted to the Oakland Firefighters Local 55 Facebook page, shows rescuers providing oxygen and comfort to the dog. The firefighters also credited ambulance paramedics that were on the scene for medical support. They said it was great teamwork by all companies involved. At the end of the video, the dog can be seen lifting his head and moving, and is now said to be doing fine after his ordeal.